Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share a very delicious pumpkin banana bread that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious pumpkin banana bread, these are the ingredients: cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, pumpkin seasoning, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, vegetable oil, unsalted butter, all purpose flour, non-stick baking cream that you already have on my channel, pumpkin puree, brown sugar, 2 bananas. This is everything we need, so let's get started. Of course, before we start making our pumpkin banana bread, we need to prepare our baking dish. I have the non-stick baking cream here that you already have on my channel. And believe me, once you make this non-stick baking cream, you are going to continue using it because nothing will stick to your baking dishes. When you're making your delicious bread, your cakes, your muffins, believe me when I say this is the best ingredient, a non-stick baking cream made at home with lots of love. Well, when your baking dish is ready, covered, we're going to put it aside and we're going to start by preparing the best part of this pumpkin banana bread. I have here 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to incorporate it really good. I want to make sure that it's really incorporated before I add this to the bottom of the baking dish. Yes, the bottom of the baking dish. We are going to coat all the bottom of the baking dish with the butter and the brown sugar. The brown sugar, you know, that has molasses and really gives the bread an amazing flavor. Well, here I am going to just spread everything around, cover the whole bottom with this. And once it's nice and covered, I am going to start slicing 1 banana. Yes, I'm going to cover the bottom and now I'm ready to slice 1 banana. This is going to be on the bottom of the baking dish, right on top of the sugar and the butter. Look at this. You decide what decoration you want to add. But let me tell you, when you do this, your banana bread, it's going to come out so delicious. I mean, your pumpkin banana bread. I am so excited because I make this every year, all year round. And let me tell you, every time I bake it, everybody knows that it's pumpkin banana bread. It's just amazing and delicious. While the rest of the banana, I am going to add to another plate where I'm going to not only do 1 banana, but I am going to use 2 bananas. I'm going to smash them and I'm going to pull them apart. Let me tell you, I used 3 total bananas for this amazing and delicious pumpkin banana bread. I am sure you're going to love it. What ingredients am I going to use? I am going to go step by step so that you could make this delicious bread at home and enjoy it with your beautiful family. And here goes the second banana. Once you add your second banana, it's nice and crushed, then you are ready to start adding the rest of the ingredients. Of course, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of brown sugar, Remember, when you bake at home, you have control of how much sugar and salt you add to your amazing recipes. 1 cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to incorporate it really good, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. I'm going to add 2 room temperature eggs. If you want your bread to be fluffy and delicious, remember the ingredients need to be at room temperature. I'm going to incorporate it really good. And now I am ready to start adding the dry ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of all pumpkin spice, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to incorporate everything and a pinch of salt. And once everything is nice and incorporated, then you could really smell the aroma of the banana and the pumpkin. Once this is all incorporated, let me show you the mixture. It's nice and thick. It's not runny at all. And that's exactly how you want it. Remember to preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and take it to the oven for 35 minutes. When a little toothpick comes out clean, that means the pumpkin banana bread is ready. Look at this. This looks amazing. And I am sure it's going to come out delicious. Remember, add it to your baking dish, making sure that your oven is already preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. I'm just going to level it out. And then this is ready to go in the oven for 35 minutes. This looks amazing. I can't wait to enjoy. After 35 minutes, look at this. It's nice and fluffy, and I can't wait to just take it out of the baking dish. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love what you see, the aromas of the pumpkin and banana, just amazing. I can't wait to enjoy. The aroma has invaded my kitchen. And look how fluffy it is from the inside. I am sure that once you make it, you're going to fall in love with it. I am ready for the presentation. Can't wait to enjoy. Look at this. Every side you see, it looks amazing. I'm going to pull a little piece off. And now I am ready to enjoy. I'm ready for the presentation. Can't wait to enjoy. See you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing pumpkin banana bread. Yes, this bread is so soft, so moist. The combination of the pumpkin and banana, just perfection made at home. Excuse me. Oh my God. Delicious. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe. It's not too sweet, but the combination of the pumpkin and banana, just an amazing and delicious recipe. I hope, my friends, you make it at home and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. And if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and I will stay enjoying this amazing pumpkin banana bread. See you soon. Bye-bye.